Yo guys, what's up? Welcome again to my channel. This is Dhia from Dhia Coding, and today we're gonna learn if and else statements. So we're gonna run this game. I created a little game so we can learn faster and easier. Find the older brother and if they are twins. I named the two brothers, one John and the other one is Carl. So the thing is, we're gonna compare the ages of the two brothers, so to guess who is the older one. So the first thing, we're gonna get the ages from the user. It's gonna be an integer, and how old is John, how old is Carl. So, and then we're gonna compare the two ages. So if John age is bigger than Carl age, it's gonna print John is the older brother. And if they are equal to each other, the ages, they are twins. And else Carl is the older brother in the other case, I mean. So let's jump right into it and do the code. Yes. So first thing, we're gonna need the two ages. So we're gonna name two variables, John age equal int input how old is John, like that. I'm gonna copy this, do the same thing for Carl, just change the names. Carl, how old is Carl? So now we have the two ages variable, and the next thing we're gonna do is to compare. We're gonna use the if and else statements in Python. How we write if? If, just simple like that. If John age bigger than Carl age. You have to remember to put these 2 points or it doesn't work. Print out John is the older brother. Yep. So this gonna print out. Let's see what is the result. Yes. Control S. Ta-da-da. Little game. Yep. How old is John? Let's give it 16. Sorry. How old is John? 20. Then how old is Carl? 14. John is the older brother. So let's put the now we have to put the else statement to. So if not John is the older brother, it's gonna be Carl, right? So in that case we're gonna put else statement. So if this false, we're gonna to pass the other condition, else print Carl is the older brother. That's it. So now, if John is not the older brother, you're going to pass to this else statement, and you're going to print Carl is the older brother. So let's add something right here. Yes. Now F5. How old is John? Let's put 14. And Carl is 20. Yep, Carl is the older brother. Now, right here we have 20 is bigger than 40, so Carl is the older brother. Now we have the case when John is the older brother and Carl is the older brother. So what if they are twins. That is so simple. We put elif John age John age equal to Carl age. Print John and Carl are twins. Okay. See, equal means equal to each other. Yes. If you put just one equal, is not gonna work. It's gonna put an error. So F5. How old is John? 20. How old is Carl? 20. John and Carl are twins. So in this case, 20 equals 20 is going to print out this condition. So if statement, you have to write if and then the condition and then 2 points and what the program gonna do if that condition is true. Yes. Like a rap song. What the program gonna do if the condition is gonna be true? Yes. There. And we're gonna if you had another condition but in the same if, you have to use elif in elif you have to put also the condition and what gonna do what the program gonna do if the condition is true. Yes. And in the else statement you don't have to put a condition, so it's basically else. Condition of the else is the opposite of the if condition. So right here we have John age is bigger than Carl age, and in else we have we can replace it with elif John age inferior to Carl age. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. So let's see. Let's say John is 12 and Carl is 15. See, Carl is the older brother. It's the same thing as the else statements. Is the condition of the else statements is the opposite of the if statement. Yes. So that's it. It's quite simple. You can do this exercise in your home and exercise it more. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and keep supporting the channel. Thank you so much for your support and peace.